It's time for an important Metro Minute. When it comes to your home's electrical systems, safety for you and your family is paramount. One of the most commonly overlooked items are GFCI power outlets. GFCI, or Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter, are special power outlets designed to prevent electrical shock by detecting low-level ground faults and turning off the electricity to that plug. Electrical codes require GFCI outlets in kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, or anywhere in close proximity to water. Outdoor power outlets also have GFCI requirements and typically have special weather-resistant housing. Take a look around your home, inside and out. If you don't have GFCI power outlets where required, your home may be in code violation. But more importantly, you and your family could be at risk. In one visit, our home electric experts can assess your needs and install GFCI outlets inside and outside of your home for maximum protection. Plus, you'll get a free home electric safety inspection. And please remember, electricity is nothing to play around with. Unless you're a trained electrician, you should never attempt to do electrical work yourself.
Visit our website or call Metro Electric to learn more.
Metro Electric, MetroElectricMichigan.com. Metro Electric.